Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. You need to start by opening App Store. Then click on the search bar and type in Gboard. After that, download this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, select Open. Then you need to tap on Get Started twice, and after that, select Keyboards under Language over here. Then click on this gray switcher next to Gboard in order to continue, and following that on that one next to Allow Full Access. Then you need to choose Allow in this pop-up, and finally access Gboard app. Now click on this globe icon at the bottom right corner and select Gboard. Then choose Got It. Now you can finally click on Themes and tap on Show More to see all available ones. When you're ready, click on the best one for you. And now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same app, but this time select this plus icon under Custom. Now you can click on the photo that you wish to apply as a keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Choose at the bottom right corner. Now you can customize your theme however you want to. For example, adjust background darkness. You can also scroll down and click on all of those switchers under Keys section to manage key borders. You can even change color of them and color of text. Now scroll down, and over here you can pick color for your key pop-ups. I will go with those two. Lastly, scroll down and click on this switcher next to Swipe Trace Sparkles to enable or disable this feature. You can also adjust thickness of your brush by swiping left or right and pick Swipe Color. When you're ready with your keyboard, save it by choosing Done at the top right corner. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine was successfully customized with an image. If you want to, you can always edit one of your keyboards by clicking on this icon at the bottom right corner of the chosen one. Then save your changes by clicking on Done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!